I'm just too excited about doing this film. It's something I've never done before again. ये भी एक नए अवतार में मुझे देखा जाएगा. मैं पहली बार इस फिल्म में I'll be doing action. तब्बू मैम, कियारा, अनीस बाज़मी सर. So we've had a blast shooting for Bhool Bhulaiya. She's really sweet and I saw that interview also.
पहले इंटरव्यू में भी उन्होंने आपके बारे में जो बोला था that went viral as well. इधर कार्तिक आर्यन is this, कार्तिक आर्यन is that, and खासा मतलब फैसिनेटेड थी आपके साथ में. एक मैग्नेट जो आप बने हुए हैं लेडीज के लिए.
ऐसा कुछ मैग्नेट वाला तो नहीं है, सिंगल ही हूं मैं अभी. so I hope people like our pairing again in Shehzada and yeah, वैसे भी कृति बहुत सारी फिल्में करे जा रही है.
I spoke to your co-star Alaya, and she was like that he's thinking about films all the time, and it's remarkable that how involved he tends to be. That's a good compliment, you know, that a person is so involved in his work.
Though she keeps pulling my leg over that because वो जब भी कुछ ऐसे बात करती है या कुछ बोलती है तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ घूम फिर के फिल्म में ही आ जाता हूँ और कुछ related to the character, related to the film, वही सारी बातें होती रहती है. And but she's really sweet and I saw that interview also. And आपका जो इंटरव्यू था अलाया के साथ, and no, it's a lovely compliment and I'm really happy that I mean she noticed it, you know, in that way. And yeah, so I am all about my work and अभी वो मैं कुछ उसमें कर नहीं सकता. So
in fact हमारे पहले इंटरव्यू में भी उन्होंने आपके बारे में जो बोला था that went viral as well. इधर कार्तिक आर्यन is this, कार्तिक आर्यन is that, and खासा मतलब फैसिनेटेड थी आपके साथ में. ये जो एक मैग्नेट जो आप बने हुए हैं लेडीज के लिए, उसका राज क्या है? ये बहुत से लोग जानना चाहते हैं. फ्रेग्रेंस लगाते हैं की पर्सनालिटी की फ्रेग्रेंस है.
I mean, मैंने ऐसा कुछ डिकोड नहीं किया ना. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ऐसा कोई मैग्नेट हूँ. It's just that I mean सर, मतलब ऐसा कुछ मैग्नेट वाला तो नहीं है, सिंगल ही हूँ मैं अभी. तो ऐसा कुछ I've not decoded it, but it's maybe I'm fun to hang with. Yeah, it's just I'm a fun loving guy. टाइम मस्ती करता रहता हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ जोक्स क्रैक करता रहता हूँ और and I'm honest to my work also. So I think it's not just about you know, we're talking about girls, or it's about guys and girls. I love hanging out with people who I work with also. So I think that's how it is. To sum it up, maybe it's like that. तो वो मैग्नेट लोगों के लिए होगा, सिर्फ एक जेंडर के लिए नहीं होगा.
Alright, and Kriti Sanon के साथ फिर से आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं. You guys have shared a great chemistry on and off screen as well. So how's the experience of working with her?
Super. She's a talented actress and I've always loved her work. Even before I got the opportunity to work with her during Lukka Chuppi, and but we started working in Lukka Chuppi and we really bonded instantly during that time. So and finally again with Shehzada we are again working together. So I'm really looking forward to more schedules. We just finished off 2 schedules of Shehzada and I had a lovely time shooting with her as usual. So I'm really looking forward to maybe you know, I hope people like our pairing again in Shehzada and yeah, वैसे भी कृति बहुत सारी फिल्में करे जा रही है तो
वो अपने आप में सुपरस्टार हो रही है.
हाँ, वो
सुपरस्टार बन रही है. Yeah. Okay, and it's a remake of Ala Vaikkunthapuramu, Allu Arjun's film, like a huge hit as well. What are your views on this upsurge of South Indian cinema? It is becoming mainstream and it's doing extremely well.
I mean, it depends, sir. It's one of the many films that an actor would be doing in his or her filmography or life or career. So it's just that it happened to be that this we all of us really liked the concept of it. Rohit has really given it his own spin, his own, and then there's been a few changes, which I should not be talking about also, but काफी कुछ इसमें of course एक essence रखते हुए भी एक अलग फिल्म का एहसास भी होगा. So I'm just too excited about doing this film. It's something I've never done before again. ये भी एक नए अवतार में मुझे देखा जाएगा. मैं पहली बार इस फिल्म में I'll be doing action and and a lot of stuff. So I'm really looking forward to it. But मतलब ऐसा इतना ज्यादा भी मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं कि हम आई मीन कि इतना ज्यादा रीमेक्स है, इतने ज्यादा उस जोन में जा रहे हैं. आई थिंक a lot, it's a mix of everything, be it a good film is a good film. So that's about it.
All right, and what about Bhool Bhulaiya? What is the latest on Bhool Bhulaiya?
Film is done, but we are waiting for the so March 25th has been decided as the release date of the film, and so right now let's see where it goes. I think Anis sir is just doing the post production of the film, and that is again something which is quite cool, and it's a horror comedy for me. For the first time I'll be doing something like this, and it's a massive, it'll be one of the biggest horror comedies, or a film in this space. So I'm looking forward to the release of Bhool Bhulaiya, and I've really enjoyed working with everyone over there, and Tabu ma'am, Kiara, Anis Bazni sir. So I've just, we've had a blast shooting for Bhool Bhulaiya.
I'm sure.